Well, this is the Outdoor Gourmet. This is my crawfish bowling pot. It is 90 quarts, so it can hold about, say, about 30 pounds of crawfish. This is the propane thing. You hook your propane to it, right here, and this is the on button. So you got your propane hooked up, and you hit the button, you hear it, and that's the jets. You got two things. That's when the fire comes out to heat the pot up. Come over here, open it up. This is the basket. You see it is max fill. You fill the water up about right here. Then you add all your seasoning to it. Lift it up. Drain the crawfish. You put your paddle on those little grooves right here. You got one, and you got two. Then you let it sit, let it drain. And yeah. And this is the inside. It's nice. Aluminum. You want to close it, you pour it, boom, to the crawfish. Then you close it up. And it's nice. I bought this unit at Academy for $549. And it's great for a little small, about 6-7 people come over and enjoy crawfish. So I hope y'all enjoy this video. Please subscribe.